Hi, I am Sayad. This video is about the evolution of Pontiac Parisienne from 1959 to 1986. The Pontiac Parisienne is a full-size rear-wheel drive vehicle that was sold by Pontiac on the GMB platform in Canada from 1959 to 1986 and in the United States from 1983 to 1986. The first generation of Pontiac Parisienne was introduced in 1959. The Pontiac Parisienne was a Canada-specific model based on the Chevrolet Impala that was offered in a variety of body styles, and was fitted with 4.5-litre inline-six, 4.6-litre and 5.7-litre V8 engines. These were mated to either 2- or 3-speed automatic and 3- or 4-speed manual transmission. The second generation was introduced in 1961. Various engine options were available for different model years, including 3.8-litre, 4.3-litre inline-six engines and 4.6-litre, 5.4-litre, 5.7-litre, 6.7-litre V8 engines. Transmission options include 2- and 3-speed automatic, also 3- and 4-speed manual. For third generation in 1965, Pontiac Parisienne grille appeared as the Bonneville grille. Engine options were 4.6-litre, 5.4-litre, 5.7-litre, 6.5-litre, 7-litre and 7.4-litre. 2-speed automatic, 3-speed automatic, 3-speed manual and 4-speed manual transmission options were available. For 1971, GM's new B and C bodies were the largest ever produced. The Grande Parisienne name was no longer used after 1970 and the Parisienne became the Parisienne Brougham in 1971. Body styling were 4-door hardtop, 2-door coupe and 4-door sedan. 5.7-litre, 6.6-litre and 7.5-litre V8 engines were offered. For 1977 model year, the full-size GM cars were greatly downsized. Smaller, lighter bodies allowed the smaller engines, which led to the lower fuel consumption. Various engine options varying from 3.8-litre V6 to 5.7-litre V8 were offered. It was available as sedan, coupe, and station wagon. Parisienne remained in production until 1986 with minor annual trim revisions. Thanks for watching Automotive Revolution. Please subscribe my channel.